Impact event in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Even if you do catch what you're after, how do you know it won't bite back?
Welcome back sci-fi fans. From deep space survival mission and galactic war to dystopian future alien invasion in legendary franchise return, 2026 to 2028 is shaping up to be one of the biggest eras for science fiction ever. These are the best upcoming sci-fi movies you absolutely can't miss.
Do we run? Or do we fight? I like this kid.
Number 18, Project Hail Mary.
I'm Grace. I'm gonna call you Rocky. We're here for the same reason. His son is dying too. If we're gonna save our planet, we have to learn how to communicate. Check this out.
Astronaut Ryland Grace wakes up alone aboard a spacecraft with no memory of who he is or how he got there. As fragments return, he realizes he is humanity's last hope against a mysterious cosmic phenomenon draining the sun's energy. But when he encounters an unexpected alien intelligence, survival becomes a shared mission. Number 17, The Mandalorian and Grogu. Din Djarin and Grogu take their bond beyond the Outer Rim as a new galactic threat rises from the remnants of the Empire. When Grogu's growing force abilities attract dangerous attention, the Mandalorian must choose between the warrior code and protecting the child who changed his life. Number 16, Master of the Universe. On the distant planet Eternia, Prince Adam must embrace his destiny as he man when the tyrant Skeletor launches an all-out assault for ultimate power. Ancient technology and mystical energy collide as worlds stand on the brink of destruction. Overall, it offers a large-scale sci-fi fantasy reboot with epic action. Number 15, Disclosure D. When government around the world simultaneously confirm extraterrestrial contact, global order collapses overnight. As panic spreads, a team of scientists uncovers that the alien signal may not be peaceful and the clock is ticking before arrival. Number 14, Supergirl. Kara Jor-El has watched world fall and civilizations crumble. Now on Earth, she must balance her alien heritage with protecting humanity from a cosmic force tied to Krypton's destruction. Overall, it offers a powerful, emotional superhero sci-fi adventure. Number 13, The Dog Stars. After a deadly pandemic wipes out most of humanity, a lone pilot survives at an abandoned airfield with only his dog and a hardened ex-marine. When a mysterious radio transmission sparks hope of other survivors, he risks everything to search for meaning beyond isolation. Number 12, The Hunger Games: Sunrise on the Reaping. Set decades before Katniss Everdeen, the film explores a brutal early Hunger Games during a time when the capital tightened its grip on Panem. As alliances form, betrayal unfold inside the arena, the seeds of rebellion begin quietly taking root. Number 11, Dune 3. Paul Atreides now rules as Emperor, but power comes at devastating cost. As holy war spreads across the galaxy in his name, he faces impossible choices between destiny and humanity. Number 10, Star Wars Starfighter. A new generation of pilots is recruited to defend fragile galactic peace when a rogue faction develops experimental starfighter weapons capable of planetary destruction. It is a pure adrenaline-fueled space combat. Number 9, A Quiet Place 3. As survivors push beyond rural safe zones, they discover organized communities fighting back against the sound-sensitive creatures. But evolving threats suggest humanity is not the only species adapting, terrifying suspense with emotional depth. Number 8. Sewer. In a future where climate engineering experimental spills out of control, a sudden global temperature drop plunges cities into a chaos. A scientist must stop the artificial freeze before civilization collapse. Number 7. Spaceballs 2. The legendary parody returns, poking for 8 decades of modern sci-fi franchise while introducing a new absurd galactic crisis threatening the Iskwartz once again. Number 6. Death Stranding. After a mysterious event blurs the line between life and death, society collapses into isolation. A courier must reconnect fractured cities while avoiding ghostly entities tied to another dimension. Number 5. Horizon Zero Dawn. In a distant future where robotic beasts from the earth, a skilled hunter named Aloy uncovers the truth behind humanity's courage and the secret origin of the machine. Number 4. Helldivers. An elite interplanetary squad is deployed to hostile alien world to secure resources for Earth's survival, but propaganda hides a darker truth about the war they are fighting. Number 3. Star Wars New Jedi Order. Years after the fall of the Sith, a new Jedi Academy rises, but an innocent force disturbance awakens, threatening to fracture the fragile balance once more. Number 2. Alien Romulus 2. A remote colony planet uncovers ancient genome of DNA buried beneath its surface. When experiments awaken a new strain, survival becomes impossible in the vacuum of space.